Cache Giraffe age verification usually fails because the app can't match your ID or account details with the verification service it uses, which blocks access to offers or rewards until it's resolved. By the end, you'll know why age verification gets stuck, how to fix common errors, and what to do if the system keeps rejecting your confirmation. First thing to check is the basics: your entered birth date and account details. Age verification. Systems cross-check what you typed with external verification tools. If your account age doesn't match what the system expects for rewards access, the process can fail instantly without a detailed explanation. Next step is checking the ID or verification method you're using. If Cache Giraffe is asking for ID confirmation, the image has to be clear, fully visible, and not cropped. Blurry photos, glare, or missing corners can cause automatic rejection because the system reads it as incomplete data rather than a valid document. Another common issue is mismatched account data. If your Cache Giraffe account email, Google account, or device profile doesn't match the identity used during verification, the system may block the process for security reasons. This is especially common if you've switched accounts or reinstalled the app recently. If the verification is stuck or looping, the first practical step is restarting the app after clearing background sessions. This resets the verification request and forces a fresh check with the server. Also make sure your internet connection is stable, because interrupted uploads can cause silent failures where nothing appears to happen. If it still doesn't work, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa. Some verification services fail when certain networks block upload requests or compress image data too heavily, which can break the ID scan process. If everything looks correct and it still fails repeatedly, the only remaining option is contacting support through the app's help section. Include your account email and clearly state that age verification is not completing. Avoid multiple repeated submissions, because that can slow down the review process. Quick recap: age verification usually fails due to mismatched account data, unclear ID images, or broken upload sessions. Fixing those three areas solves most cases without needing support. Now, once it goes through successfully, your account should unlock access to offers again immediately. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more fixes for Cache Giraffe issues and reward app problems.